So I'm not feeling great, but it's cool. It's cool. What's my skincare routine? My skincare routine is everything Soak in Love because they are amazing. Your face features heart. Thank you. So sweet. Why would anyone swear? That's ridiculous. Saira, you know the thing is that कुछ लोग बस फितरतन बदतमीज होते हैं. उनको उनके माँ बाप ने तमीज़ नहीं सिखाई हुई होती. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वे ऑल ख़ानदानी पीपल फ्रॉम गुड फैमिलीज. हम नहीं देते गालियाँ. लेकिन क्या करें? Not everyone is privileged enough to be तमीज़दार. So बस I guess उन लोगों की हिदायत के लिए दुआ करें और क्या कह सकते हैं. आपको टाइम कैसे मिलेगा फॉर गोइंग लाइव? इन बिटवीन सीन्स मुझे टाइम मिलता है ना, मुझे 10-15 मिनट मिल जाते हैं. अभी जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर माई कॉल टू गेट रेडी एंड फिर हम सीन शुरू कर रहे हैं. हू वॉच्ड यस्टरडेज एपिसोड? It had me on my toes. I really liked yesterday's episode. जब साइम ने मेरा कुछ चमाट लगाया यहाँ से उसका फूड निकला था. Nice चमाट. I love थप्पड़ वाले scenes. I find them very exciting. Dulan drama was the best. Thank you. Love your drama, watching it right now all the way from London. Oh, I'm so glad. Your wedding will be amazing, but why is it silent? Jani, मुझे नहीं करनी शादी. Noor Hassan says bye, I'm leaving now. Okay, bye. Sarah0081 says, are you an Aquarius? I am too. Yes, I am. And I love Aquarians. They're my favorite people. I have a group of we're 4 friends and we're all Aquarians. One is born, there's me on 25th, then there's 29th Jan, then there's 8th Feb, and then there's 13th Feb. So line se sare Aquarians. You've been a great actor. How do you deal with bad comments? I just don't engage. It doesn't affect me. मुझे इतना प्यार मुझे मिलता है आप लोगों से कि the negativity doesn't even matter. I only focus on the good comments. RIP for those जिनको इंग्लिश नहीं आता. क्या मतलब यार, मैं उर्दू भी बोलती हूँ. आप बहुत अच्छी हैं. Oh, thanks. आप भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. What cartoon do you still like to watch? All of them. Rick and Morty, first of all, but that's an adult cartoon. Kids Next Door, Adventure Time, Disenchantment, Simpsons. Being Uzi is saying your English is lit. Thanks, love. क्या वो real था? थप्पड़? Of course. नहीं, joking. It was not real. मैं बहुत मिकाल को बोलती हूँ, मार दें थप्पड़ क्या हो जाएगा, अच्छे एक्सप्रेशंस आ जाएंगे, वो नहीं मारते. God bless you, always be father of always. Thank you. Hi Mansoor. Rabia, I've told you whenever I'm live, it's because Mick is downstairs either doing a scene or getting ready, and he just signals नहीं आते. तो Umar Imtiaz is one of the most versatile actors and one of the most gorgeous. You're the pride of Pakistan. Thank you. Mashuz is saying I'm a big fan of yours. Chal, hut. Your first TV drama, I don't talk about that. Next drama kaun sa aa raha hai aapka? There's one on Sub TV called Ajnabi Humsafar. You guys should watch that. What's my favorite quality about my best friend? She's always there for me, no matter what. कुछ भी होता है, even if I've made a mistake and I've messed up and मैं अपनी गलती की वजह से upset हूँ, वो फिर भी she'll hear me out, she'll make me feel better. Who's saying much phalla? How do you know this nickname of mine? Only my mom calls me that. Okay, we have some more questions. Guys, इतने सुनो चंदा के questions आते हैं. नहीं आ रहा सुनो चंदा season 3. No, it's not happening. What's my favorite color? Blue. Any plan to come to India? I've actually been to India 3 times, लेकिन अभी तो हमारे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया है. As soon as stuff gets a little chiller, I'll definitely come. When are you getting married? Never, inshallah. Your name pronunciation? Mashal. It's Mashal, not Mishal. Not Mishal. It's Mashal. आपकी स्किन इतनी ग्लो क्यों करती है? Because I don't keep any negativity in me, guys. Always happy, always grateful, always smiling. So I think that makes a big difference. Where am I from? मैं कराची से हूँ. One of the best acting you did was in Lifafa. No one can act like that except your martial acting skills. Thank you. बहुत मेहनत की थी. I'm so glad आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा. How to enter the industry पता नहीं भाई. मैं तो गलती से आई थी industry में तो. Wrong person to ask. Am I without makeup? No, I'm wearing a little bit of makeup. What do I like about Sagittarians? Sagittarians are honest people. They're chilled out. They're sweet. They're fun to be around. लेकिन Sagittarians की एक चीज़ है कि they're very shady. बहुत shady होते हैं. लेकिन I get along really well with Sagittarians. Am I in a relationship with someone? No, not at all. मुझे किसी से शादी नहीं करनी. Guys, please stop sending me recommendations of single boys. Ajnabi short film is so good. I love Ajnabi. Thank you. मशरूम मैम से आपकी ड्रामास देखता हूँ. बिग फैन हूँ आपका. मैं कैसे बताऊँ. शफकी चल हट. फेवरेट को स्टार Imran Abbas. But now a very close second is Umar Shahzad. So I would definitely say both Imran and Umar. So Chanda nahi aa raha. I am still shooting for ख्वाब नगर की शहजादी. अभी तक मुझसे नाम प्रोनाउंस नहीं होता ये. Is that a jewel in my hand? No. I don't know what you're talking about. प्लीज़ उर्दू में बात करें. मैं उर्दू में ही बात कर रही हूँ. मैं तो मिक्स कर रही हूँ little bit. Why isn't Surajanda coming? Because वो ख़त्म हो गया यार. आप लोग क्यों पीछे पड़े हुए हैं उसके. भाई astrology बहुत accurate. If you guys are into astrology, you should check out numerology. Should be lit. मेरी बीवी अगर आप जैसी हो तो मैं उसका गुलाम बन जाऊँ. That's really sweet. Assalamu alaikum Fatima, how are you? Oh, Amna Salman saying, why are you ignoring me? Sorry Jani, वो आधे comments filter out हो जाते हैं, so I don't see half of them. Not ignoring you. हमदम ड्रामा में जो धोखा मिला था, कैसे करेगी शादी? Oh, you've watched मेरे हमदम. Was that the name? Yeah, मेरे हमदम. आप भी आपका favorite drama कौन सा है?